Dad says I really shouldn't play around with the inside lights in case they get left on overnight. I don't see what the problem is.
You're lucky. Jump-starting a flat battery is easy. You can either use a booster battery or jump leads connected to another car. Pop the bonnet. The red lead goes between the two positive terminals to the charged battery first, and the black lead goes from the negative terminal of the charged battery to an unpainted heavy metal part. Start the engine on the other car, and after a minute or so, try to start yours. Leave it to charge for a bit and then remove the leads in the reverse way, from yours first. And we'll be going straight to our Suzuki service centre to have it fully charged, otherwise we'll need to jump start it every day. Job done. And we won't be forgetting to turn the inside lights off for a while, will we, son?